Hello guys, what's up? Ewan ko, basta. Hi. Oh, okay, secondary rescue. Hindi, tayo mag-rescue. Red Church. Ayaw naman secondary rescue. Ayaw naman puppet kayo.
La la la.
Usually must be much better if my secondary rescuers, especially since hindi very steady pag mag-rescue si Night. Unless very protector, which I'm not. Bakit ni ano? I'm sure read it. I'm going to take this kasi this is Madera. At pang church kasi hindi rin naman siya super good sa kiting area. More on pang transition lang kasi siya.
La la
Which is
la.
where it's going. Tapos delikado din siya sa rescue. Yung sa rescue will take it para take mo yung delikadong area ganun.
Ta-da.
Ito ang perks. Yung handa ayaw chase ang rescue. Mag-spawn siya near me sa this part. Kasi I'm fucked if he switches onto me, bro. I'm so ass at kiting. Hey, chopper.
Huh? Hey.
Anyways, let's hide. No, bro is coming this way. Okay. He's coming for Earth. This is a peeper jack, so this is probably a good jack. Jack usually either brings peepers or like blink kasi mas maganda para sa kanila yun. Pero kasi if you're a good jack, usually good jacks is bring peepers because parang hindi sila makite or maloop masyado. Okay. I will get out for a bit kasi bro, you just fucking stole my cipher. What is wrong with you? Anyways, find another cipher, get ready for the rescue. She's kiting near red carpet, so I'll just go here graveyard. Fuck, where is that fucking peeper? Don't think... Okay. Ang layo na rin sa paper, just nyo. Wait, let me just go to sa red carpet kasi may loading process na yun. Gaga kasi itong, fuck. Holy fuck, fuck. No, let's not waste a helmet. Parang gusto ko kasi siya kasi wag na. Baliw kasi itong perfume na ito. Ay, maganda naman yung parking area na yun. Pinipin ko para ma-estimate ko kung gano'n siya kalayo tapos if kaya ko may rescue. Ito, Reaper lang naman yan. I don't know why he chose Reaper when I'm a fucking knight. I literally could just, attack predict, and what he's gonna do. He's gonna be bullshit against me. He's fucking... Sige, attack predict, and what he's gonna do, bro. O, diba? Attack predict nga kasi. Oh, tight. Body block. Nice. Fuck. Nakuha niya, gaga. Huwag ka na kasi magkahit dyan sa cipher. Pag ganyan, bro, nag-rescue ka with tight turner. Takbo ka ng pinamalayo kasi tas magtago ka sa pinakadulo para mag-buy time sa rescue. Huwag ka magkahit sa cipher. Like, punta ka kahit sa pinakadulo lang ng mapa para matagal mag-share time. I don't know why I chose Reaper when I'm literally a knight, bro. Okay, focus on the coding, guys. Ay, gaga, na-stuck ako. Focus on the coding. I'm here. the fuck? Yan. Ganun lang. Madali lang kasi, kaya ang madali niya kasi Reaper siya. Bakit nakasunod? Kasi siya nag-Reaper sa night ko, baliw. 3 escape to kasi 4-man endgame to. As long as mapapano ko tong cipher na to. 4-man endgame to. Most likely a escape unless she fucks up. Pop, 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 pop. Nice. I'm gonna go probably in middle. I don't think. Yeah, let's go to. Yeah, I'm gonna stay right. No, he did not switch off pa naman from ano. Hi. Female dancer's not dead yet. Okay. I'm gonna go out. Don't wanna risk ano. Hi, baby. Itong video na to para din to sa'yo sa tarot. Get out na lang. Palo si female dancer. Pero again, it's most likely kasi, bakit kasi siya Reaper? Yan. Ganun lang po, Mag Knight.